Sarah.
I'm Grammy.
And this is another video of cooking at night.
Yes, we're going to have a surprise.
Yeah. So
surprise meal.
We're making... We can't tell yet, right?
Right.
Yep. So we are going right now to...
Blue Jay Orchards.
Yep. It's in Bethel, CT.
Bethel is right.
Yeah.
So we might find something there to cook.
So...
And we're not sure.
So you guys can come on our journey to...
Bethel.
Yeah.
It's fun to go, and you really should bring the children. They also have hayride there, and you can pick your own apples. And they have a lot of good food. And a lot of it's homemade.
Yep. So...
You should go down there and see how you would like it. So we'll say goodbye now.
Yeah, we'll see you
Tonight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
So we're here at...
The Blue Jay Orchards with a bunch of friends. They're called geese.
Yep, right over there.
They want to see who we are.
Yep. Okay.
We're going in now.
Okay, so we're inside now. And we're just looking around. And yeah, so here's all the stuff. And yeah, so we do not know what we're going to buy so far, so we'll get back to you.
Yep.
Okay, so far we got apple cider donuts and
Delicious peach pecan jam.
So, okay, so we're going in our car right now.
And we had some nice things to shop for.
Yep, so we'll show you what we got when we get home.
And everything's homemade.
Yep, so see you guys in a little bit.
With jams.
Okay.
We have a peach pecan jam. And then we have a harvest jam.
Oh.
These are all homemade by the place that we went, which is the Blue Jay Orchards.
Yep. Okay.
Then we got extra large corns.
Yeah, so we got 3 corns.
Yep, they were 50 cents a piece, but they're pretty big. Wow, look at this one. Oh my gosh.
Oh God.
We could have a couple people eat off of that one.
Yep.
And then we have our little candy apple kit.
Yep, we can do that. Makes 10.
And that's my favorite. Then we have, we have cider donuts.
Okay.
Homemade cider donuts.
Yep. Yummy.
And
last but not least,
wait till you see this.
We got the best one, because all of them.
It's a apple caramel walnut pie.
Ooh, we're gonna have a taste of that.
Yes, I think.
And we'll taste it in front of you guys.
I think we should get a couple plates.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Gracie.
Oops. Okay, we're going to try it. And dun, 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 rock and roll.
We'll do one plate. We'll just put 2 pieces
Okay.
And what I'll do is I'll get a nice pie butter.
Please subscribe and like this video. And comment. Because we don't turn our comments off.
Okay. You don't put so I'm going to cut this way.
Okay.
Oh, I can hear those crunchy apples.
Yep, they're delicious.
Wow. How is this size?
That's
for you,
good.
Sarah?
Yeah, we could share too, so that's okay.
You want a bigger size?
You can have one too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Grandma. Yum, yum, yum.
And oh, that crust sounds so good.
Ooh, it looks so good.
It smells good.
Look at yum, yum. Oh, God, we're acting a little bit weird.
Yeah. And just
My mouth is watering. And if this disappoints me, if it's not good, I'm going to be really disappointed. Because it looks good. Right, Grandma?
oh yeah, smells delicious.
It smells like apples. Okay. You ready to sit down?
Yep.
Do I sit over here?
Sure.
Okay. Our first taste test.
Oh boy. Well, here goes. Tastes good to me.
Good. I didn't taste the crust yet.
And it's sweet.
Yep. Good.
Delicious. How's the crust, Sarah?
Good. So, we'll see you back
after we eat our yummings. Yum, yum, yum.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Today we will be making
A pumpkin cheesecake.
So what you will need is
We're going to start with 1 pound of easy
cream cheese.
cream cheese. We put that in the bowl, nice size, and I'm going to have to melt it in the oven.
Okay.
Microwave. Soften it up so all the material will blend.
For about,
oh, I would say about a minute. Maybe not even that.
So we will be back when that's done cooking.
Just took out my cheese out of the microwave. And it's melting. We don't want it to be popping all over the place, but it smells really, really good. Sorry.
Yep.
And now we're going to have our cheesecake mix. Comes in a box. And it's much easier, and it is very delicious.
Yep.
So now I'm going to mix that.
We could get it from dollar store, correct?
Correct. It's the only place I can find it.
Yeah, that's the only place, and it's only $1.
And it tastes just like the number 10 diners.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
That's, if you don't know where that is or what that is, it's a restaurant with a really good cheesecake, and this tastes exactly like it.
Yes, and it's off of exit 10.
So we will be back when that's done mixing. So here is where we got it from, Big Y. This is whipped cream. We just add it into our bowl. Yes. And this is exactly our measurements. I don't know how much the measurement is of that. How much is it? The measurement of that? of this?
It's just one cream cheese.
Yeah.
I mean, Cool Whip.
Yeah.
One Cool Whip.
Yeah. Oh, it is 8 ounces.
Okay.
So that's good.
So now we go back to mixing.
Yep. So we will be back when this is mixed well in our microwave.
My Cool Whip is a little frozen, so I have to defrost it.
Yep. Okay, so first we are going to put our 5 eggs in,
Slightly beaten,
and we're just gonna pour that in. Next is 2 cups of light brown sugar or granulated sugar, but we used light brown sugar instead.
Yes. Okay, there's our eggs. Now this is our sugar.
And that was 2 cups. Next is 1 teaspoon of salt. Next is 2 teaspoons cinnamon. Next is 1.5 teaspoon cloves. Next is 1.5 teaspoon nutmeg. Next, we will put 1.5 teaspoon ginger. Next is 2 cups milk or evaporated milk, but we used evaporated milk instead. And lastly is mix well.
Right.
So we will be back when that is mixed. Putting the mixture in the microwave for about an hour. You can put it in the oven if you would like, but we're doing it in the microwave because we think it's better. So.
Oh. An hour and 11 minutes.
Yep.
And
yep. So we'll be back when that is going to be cooked, and we are going to be checking our I forgot. Wait. Oh, cheesecake. Okay. So we checked the cheesecake in the refrigerator. We're not going to put it in the freezer. We're going to leave it in there for an hour in the refrigerator. And we'll come back when that is done. So, we are blending our mixture. We just took it out of the microwave. And we're smoothing it out with a hand blender. And here is, it's from KitchenAid. And this is how it looks like. And yeah. So, and our cheesecake, we'll check how that looks in our refrigerator. This is how it looks so far. Okay, so we put the mixture into a Ziploc bag, which is our piping bag. And I'm going to put this in the freezer to let it cool down. Okay, so we transferred it into a smaller bowl. And now we are going to put the topping on it. I think it looks pretty good for beginners.
I think it looks fantastic.
Yep, we did it, my fellow friends.
And I think what I would do is just throw this away.
Yeah, I don't think no one's gonna eat it. So, this is our pumpkin, what do you call it? Cheesecake. So, yeah. And we will update you on the what do you call it? Pie that's cooking. So, yeah. This is fresh out of the oven. Well, we're done with the cake, the pie. Thank you for watching. We'll update you on more videos.
And hope you go to watch us again.
Yep. So subscribe and like and comment.
That's right.
Yeah. See you next time.
See you next time.
Mwah,
Mwah.
mwah. Bye. See you in our next video. Have a great day.